So inequalities, what are they? They just mean instead of x equaling something, x is greater than or smaller than something. So x can normally have lots of different values. Now, this statement here is really important. Integer just means a whole number. So we know that x can't be a half, because that's not a whole number. Now, x says here x is greater than minus 7 and is less than or equal to 3. So when it asks you to write down all the numbers that that's true for, well, let's have a think. Well, if it's if it's greater than minus 7, then it can't be minus 7. It can't be equal to it. So it's going to be minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Now let's have a look at the other one. It says x can be less than or equal to 3. So that line there, if you look at it, that little line there, so if I do it a little bit bigger, the line that I've just drawn there says it can be 3. So we must include 3 in our answer. And that's how you get full marks. Now you probably will get 1 mark if you forget to put the 3 down or you put the minus 7 accidentally. Right, the next one I'm just going to write out a little bit bigger. Now the way we do this question is the same way as solving just a normal equation with an equals, but don't ever put an equals. There was an exam a few years ago that if you wrote an equals in it, they would give you 0 marks. So the first step is to expand the brackets. So I do smiles and rainbows, but if you've got another method, that's fine. I'll put a little line there to remind me to times it. So 5 times 3x is 15x. And 5 times minus 5 is minus 25. Now you could have divided both sides by 5 and that would have been fine. Next step is to get rid of this minus 25. And you must start with that. You can't get rid of the 15 first. So we're going to add 25 to both sides to get rid of that minus 25. So we're left with 15x on this side. And 35 plus 25 will be, well, 5 plus 35 is 40, 40 plus 20 is 60. Now to get rid of this times 15, we need to divide both sides by 15. So that will get rid of the 15 there. And how many 15s in 60? Well, 2 times 15 is 30, so it would be 4. Now be really careful not to accidentally put any equal signs in your answer, and especially this bit here. So it's x is greater than 4.